Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracelle. I'm your host, Melanie Wildman. I am not only the founder and creator of Nutracelle, the world's very first prebiotic protein that you can actually cook with and have as a shake, but I've also maintained over 100 pounds of weight that I lost after having my sleeve. And I've done it by making really healthy, full of fiber, full of protein recipes of all of the foods we love. So I'm going to show you today how to make a kid classic favorite here, and that is yummy, fresh grilled cheese sandwiches. These are ooey-gooey delicious and so quick and easy to make with our classic coconut bread recipe. So this is what the coconut bread looks like. It's fluffy and light for a coconut bread. Now, when you're cooking gluten-free and you're cooking carb-free, you're never gonna get a super light, fluffy bread, but this one comes pretty close. And I'm gonna put a link to the recipe below. I'm gonna show you though today how to make your kids happy with grilled cheese sandwiches. So all you need is your coconut bread. Now when you make your coconut bread recipe, add a teaspoon of onion powder. That's gonna make it so you really don't taste the coconut. It actually cancels out the coconut flavor from your coconut flour. That's the only change that you have to make to that recipe, and like I said, it is going to be on the description below. So I'm just going to cut 2 slices nice and thin. Just like that. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on one side here, just like that. And you don't have to be perfect with your butter because it's all gonna melt in the pan. And I'm actually gonna start to pre-warm my pan up just a little bit here as I put the butter on the other slice. Now what is so great about cooking with your protein bread here is you're gonna feel so full for hours and hours. So instead of eating a bunch of slices of, really unhealthy white bread, you're getting all sorts of prebiotic fiber. You're getting fiber content that's gonna keep you super full. It's good for your digestive system, and you're actually getting tons of protein. Instead of just having a protein shake, you're actually getting healthy protein right in your bread. So now that our pan has started to heat up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of the slices and I'm gonna place it the butter side down. And then I'm going to take some of now I'm using Canadian cheddar cheese slices here. I'm gonna fold it in half like this and just set it right on top like that. And then I'm going to put my piece of bread on top, of course, with the butter facing the top. Okay, so once one side is done, we're gonna go ahead and flip these over. Look at that, nice and golden brown and perfect. Now, of course, I'm using real local island butter. It is super delicious. And in Canada, our dairy cows are hormone-free and antibiotic-free naturally. Okay, now our cheese is perfect and melty. Our grilled cheese sandwiches are all done. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Look how delicious this is. Super decadent, super melty, perfect, just like you were a kid. Grilled cheese sandwiches. And you thought you couldn't have that if you were eating low carb, high fat, or keto. You sure can. And I'm gonna show you how ooey-gooey good these are. I'm just gonna break this apart so you can see. Look at that. As I pull it apart, how yummy that is. All the cheesy goodness all at once. And I think I better have a little bite here. Oh my goodness, it's so nice and hot. This is so good. You would never know that you're actually eating a healthy grilled cheese sandwich. You're gonna love it, your kids are gonna love it. Oh, this is so good. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Make sure you comment below. Hit the little bell so that every week you get our notifications and you know exactly when a new super decadent, super yummy recipe is coming out. And I would love to hear how yours turns out, and if you use any fancy cheeses or make something that tastes even better than mine, I want to hear about it. All right, you guys, have an awesome week, and I will see you here next time. Bye, guys.